What is the biggest sea creature ever? If you guessed whale, you'd be right. The biggest sea creature that has ever lived is the blue whale. And it's massive. It can grow over 100 feet long and weigh more than 200 tons. That's longer than a school bus and heavier than 33 elephants. But you might be thinking, wait a minute, if the biggest sea creature is the blue whale, then what's bigger, a blue whale or a sperm whale? Or the blue whale is bigger. The largest animal ever discovered was a blue whale. It was 100 feet long and weighed 200 tons. The largest sperm whale ever discovered was 67 feet long and weighed 90 tons. And what about the biggest sea creature alive today? Well, that's a little tricky because no one knows for sure how big a blue whale can get. Some scientists say they can reach 110 feet in length and weigh 250 tons. If that's true, then the biggest sea creature alive today would be a blue whale, but if not, then it would be the sperm whale. What about the biggest sea creature that humans have ever seen? Well, that's also a little tricky because there are so many different kinds of whales and other sea creatures out there. It's possible that humans have seen a sea creature that was even bigger than a blue whale or sperm whale, but we just don't know about it yet. What about the biggest sea creature that humans have ever caught? Well, that's not hard to answer because humans haven't caught any sea creatures that were bigger than sperm whales. The largest sea creature that humans have ever caught was a sperm whale. It was 67 feet long and weighed 90 tons. How big is the biggest sea creature compared to a car? Well, the biggest sea creature is much bigger than a car. A car is about 15 feet long and weighs about 4,000 pounds. The biggest sea creature, a blue whale, is about 100 feet long and weighs about 200 tons. That's about the size of a school bus. So the next time you're at the beach, be sure to look out for giant sea creatures. Just kidding. You're probably safe, unless, of course, you're a seal.